Hi, welcome back, and in this video I would like to show you how to create your ebook cover in Canva. You have two ways to go. One, you can simply open your Canva, and usually on the top panel you'll be seeing different items, so you can actually scroll until you find book cover and choose that. However, what I like to do is create something from scratch, especially in dimensions. My favorite dimensions for an ebook cover is this. I use 1800 by 2700. So I'll just use that. And just like that, Canva brings me a few templates. Now, as you will tell, it will give me a few things. These are not book covers, but if I were to put book covers and search under templates, you can see that it gives me more exciting covers. So you can actually choose a cover that resonates with the kind of book you want to create and use that. Mine, I want to create something called YouTube Secrets. So let me choose a cover and work with that. My cover pick is going to be this. Let me pick this and I'll call it YouTube Secrets for Beginners. Ah, perfect. A book by I can put my name just like that. Includes pro tips, and I'll say learn how to faceless. Remember, you can really, when you're building your cover, you want a catchy title, maybe subtitle, some image or something to work with, and then like a description. What are you going to cover in this book? Ah, Let me call it this. I'm just using examples. But what I want you to take attention of is that you can actually create your cover quickly in Canva without a need to worry. Maybe instead of wasting time, let me just use one name here. You want to use your full name, by the way, but and then I will delete this and I will go on elements and choose YouTube. Okay, so I could use this. You see, Canva already has existing elements you can utilize. I'm going to make this black and I'm going to change the background, so don't worry yet. I'm not going crazy. I'm going to change the background to white. I can even choose white gradient. I can go under elements and choose white gradient. I could get something like this or something like this. Um, Basically, really feel free. Okay, let me use that. And I'm gonna make this black. I don't have to have that, by the way. I could call this a step-by-step guide. Okay. What do you think about my book cover so far? Does it look like something you would read? There we are. I'll change this to white. Let me do this. Put my name. So here we are. We have our YouTube. Let me look for red gradient. You really can build your book cover in Canva easily. I encourage you to explore the possibilities. And I can give this effects, make this white maybe. Give this effect. Let me see what I can do for this. What if I made it black and used a different style? Made it bold, made it bigger. See how it would look like. Make this black. So here I am with what probably is not your favorite ebook cover, but one that gives you the impression that you're going to be learning about YouTube. You're going to be learning from Sammy Smiles. You're going to get some secrets, never shared before secrets. Actually, let me do that. I'm not saying that I'm the best cover designer, but all I'm saying is that you can create exciting designs in Canva. It's possible and you can do it. So here we are. I have my ebook ready now, ebook cover ready. And when I feel like I am satisfied with the design, I can export it and share it with everyone. Be a better designer than me. Create something stunning that will make your readers feel like you know what you're doing. There we go. We have created a cover just like that in Canva. We didn't have to pay someone to create the cover for us. That's what I'm talking about, creating your own art. What do you think? I can even I want to copy and paste and see if I were to be sometimes okay, what do you think of my cover? Comment below, tell me what you think. This is the cover. It's ready. I'm going to send this behind all the way to the back so that I improve readability. My cover is done. So all I have to do is click share, download, and I will download it as a PNG or JPEG if you're publishing on other platforms. But PNG is my favorite. Download, save, and you're good to go. That's how you create your ebook cover in Canva. Perfect, done. See you in the next video.